Imagine a lawyer facing a mountain of documents for a big case. This is a common situation in the legal world. In the past, this lawyer and their team would spend weeks or even months reading every single page. They would look for one specific piece of information, a single important clue. This process was slow, expensive, and very tiring. It required countless hours of human effort just to find a needle in a haystack. The cost of this manual labor was often passed on to the client, making legal help more expensive for everyone involved. This traditional way of working was the only option for a very long time. Now let's introduce artificial intelligence into this scenario. The lawyer gives the same mountain of documents to an AI system. Instead of weeks, the AI reads everything in just a few hours. The lawyer simply tells the AI what to look for, perhaps a specific name, a date, or a key phrase. The AI tool scans millions of words and instantly finds every relevant document. This is not science fiction, this is happening today. This simple example shows how AI is starting to change the legal profession in a fundamental way. It is a powerful new tool that helps lawyers do their work much more efficiently. This initial use of AI is just the beginning of a much larger transformation. These systems are designed to handle tasks that are repetitive and based on recognizing patterns. Finding specific information in a large set of documents is a perfect example of such a task. The AI doesn't get tired or bored. It doesn't miss a document because it was distracted. It performs the task with a high degree of accuracy every single time. This reliability frees up the legal team to focus on more important work. They can now spend their time thinking about the case strategy instead of just searching for papers. The introduction of AI into law firms marks a significant shift in how legal services are delivered. It is similar to how computers and the internet changed business a few decades ago. At first, many were unsure about these new technologies, but soon they became essential tools that no one could work without. AI is on the same path within the legal sector. It is becoming a silent but incredibly effective partner for lawyers. It helps them manage huge amounts of information and complete their work faster than ever before. This is the new reality for modern law. Many tasks in a law firm are routine and repetitive. These include drafting standard contracts, filling out legal forms, and organizing case files. Historically, these jobs were done by junior lawyers or paralegals. While necessary, this work is not the most valuable use of a trained legal professional's time. Artificial intelligence is now stepping in to act as a digital paralegal. AI tools can be trained to automatically generate these standard documents. A lawyer can input the key details of an agreement, and the AI will produce a first draft of a contract in seconds, complete with all the standard legal clauses. This automation goes far beyond just creating documents. AI systems are also excellent at what is known as e-discovery. In a lawsuit, parties must exchange relevant digital information, like emails and electronic files. AI can quickly sort through millions of emails to find the ones that are important for the case. It can identify conversations between key people or flag documents that contain specific keywords. This process is much faster and often more accurate than having humans do it. It dramatically reduces the time and cost associated with preparing for a trial, making the legal process more accessible. Furthermore, these AI tools help lawyers stay organized and compliant. For example, an AI can manage deadlines for a case. It can track court filing dates and remind the legal team of important upcoming events. This helps prevent mistakes that could harm a client's case. Some advanced systems can even review documents to ensure they comply with specific regulations or legal standards. This adds an extra layer of quality control to the firm's work. The AI acts as a safety net, catching potential errors before they become serious problems and ensuring everything is in order. The role of the human paralegal and junior lawyer is changing because of this. They are now freed from the more monotonous tasks. Instead of spending their days copying and pasting text, they can focus on more complex work. They might be involved in interviewing witnesses, communicating with clients, or helping senior lawyers develop case arguments. The AI handles the routine tasks, allowing the human team members to use their skills in more meaningful ways. This makes their jobs more interesting and helps them develop their legal expertise faster. Artificial intelligence is not just for simple, repetitive tasks. It is also becoming a powerful tool for developing legal strategy. AI systems can analyze vast databases of past court cases. They can identify patterns that a human lawyer might miss. For instance, An AI can study the decisions of a specific judge. It can determine which types of arguments the judge has found persuasive in the past. This information can help a lawyer tailor their strategy to be more effective in front of that particular judge. It provides a data-driven edge that was previously unavailable. Moreover, AI can help lawyers predict the potential outcomes of a case. By analyzing the facts of the current case and comparing them to thousands of similar cases from the past, an AI can estimate the probability of winning or losing. It might suggest a likely settlement amount if the case goes to negotiation. This is called predictive analytics. It gives lawyers and their clients a clearer picture of the risks and potential rewards. This allows them to make more informed decisions about whether to go to trial or to settle out of court, saving time and money. These tools also give lawyers new ideas for legal arguments. An AI can scan legal journals, new laws, and recent court rulings from all over the country. It can then present the lawyer with novel arguments or legal precedents that they might not have considered. It's like having a research assistant who has read every law book ever written and is always up to date. This can be especially useful in complex areas of law where things are constantly changing. The AI can highlight a new and creative way to approach a legal problem, giving the lawyer a strategic advantage. Clients also benefit from these advanced AI capabilities. Some online legal tools powered by AI can help people understand their legal situations. A person can input the details of their problem, and the AI can provide general information about their rights and options. This is not legal advice, but it helps them have a more informed conversation. Say die dan dunstender die do by Spain tur dunker den backter. Sveidi die der dein den dat. It empowers clients by giving them a better grasp of the law. This leads to better communication and collaboration between the client and their legal team as they work together on the strategy. The rise of artificial intelligence in law has led some to worry that lawyers will be replaced by machines. However, this is a misunderstanding of how these technologies work. AI is very good at handling information and recognizing patterns, but it cannot do what human lawyers do best. It cannot show empathy to a worried client. It cannot negotiate a complex deal based on human relationships. It cannot stand in a courtroom and make a persuasive argument to a jury, using emotion and storytelling. These are uniquely human skills that remain central to the legal profession. Instead of replacing lawyers, AI is changing their roles. The lawyer of the future will not be a simple provider of legal information. Much of that information will be easily accessible through AI. Instead, the lawyer will be a trusted advisor, a creative problem solver, and an expert strategist. Their job will be to use the insights provided by AI to build the best possible case for their client. They will focus on the human elements of the law, advising, counseling, and advocating. The lawyer's value will come from their judgment, experience, and ability to connect with people. This means that legal education and training will also need to evolve. Future lawyers will need to be comfortable working with technology. They will need to know how to ask an AI the right questions to get the most useful information. They will need skills in data analysis and project management. The focus will shift from memorizing laws to learning how to apply legal principles in a world augmented by powerful technology. Law schools and firms must prepare the next generation of lawyers for this new collaborative environment, where human and machine work together. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is not an adversary to the legal profession. It is a powerful ally. It is making legal work smarter, faster, and more efficient. It handles the repetitive tasks, allowing lawyers to concentrate on the high-value work that requires human intellect and emotion. AI will not replace lawyers, but it will certainly replace the old ways of working. The future of law is one where lawyers collaborate with AI to deliver better, more accessible, and more effective legal services to their clients. The AI revolution is here, and it is making the practice of law better for everyone.